Hey guys, what's up? Just making a quickie. I cleaned this up a little bit. Still working on it. This one's ready to go up into my collection, of course. It's in such nice shape, man. A couple little teeny scuffs, but nothing crazy. I'm loving it. And then still haven't sold the Explode. I think I'm just gonna take it off the site. I really don't need it, but yeah, just out here fucking around. I got that soldered in. Got this soldered in right there. Put a new resistor in. And I just haven't tried it yet. So we'll give it a shot tomorrow. I am tired. It's time for bed. I'm unplugging this. I don't want this to drain my battery. So just disconnect that for tonight. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'll take this back in with me. Alright guys, I am gonna go. It is late and I am tired, and I'll go put this up in my collection. Peace out.